The T20 features Cree XM-L2 LED, maximum of 980 lumens output. It has a dual switch design and offers fast access to momentary on function and strobe mode. It features high efficiency constant current circuit, constant brightness, reverse polarity protection to protect from improper battery installation, intelligent memory function, overheat protection function, over discharge protection function, stainless attack head and drop resistant stainless rear design, anti-roll slip resistant body design, and aircraft grade high strength aluminum AL6061 T6. Military hard anodized anti-abrasive finish. It also features alloy aluminum reflector with professional optics, toughened glass with anti-reflective coating. You can also remove the belt clip attachment and add a quick release for a Picatinny rail on a rifle or shotgun, making it even more tactical. The Orcatorch T20 has many tactical applications, including law enforcement, military, and search and rescue. The Orcatorch T20 is IP68 Water-Resistant, an international standard rating to submersion up to a maximum of 1.5 meters underwater for up to 30 minutes.